Okay, so taking the project even further from the sequential display of lights, we can go and make the code itself a little bit more elegant, a little bit more refined. And instead of using multiple timing blocks such as timer on and timer on, what we're really doing is we are pulsating each light for a specified duration. So by using the timer pulse block, we can effect that through the code. And also by using certain different inputs such as negative transition sensing contact, we can ensure a sequential cascade like what we had before. But something to note is that the previous program was very long. It was lengthy, it had many rungs to its ladder, and it was not difficult to follow, but it was a lot to look through. And there is a way we can truncate that entire master task and include it as part of another master task and essentially demote it and make it a subroutine. So instead of having a master task list populated with a whole lot of coding in ladder diagram format, we can reduce all of that to, if you were to look at the screen to where my cursor is, to just a single variable. We'll call that variable SCADA, which is no coincidence. We'll discuss SCADA in the videos to follow. But now what we have is we have this subroutine task truncated into this single variable in the master task. So if we were to go ahead and connect to the PLC, transfer the program, here we go, and we run this project. Now if we take a look at our operator screen, our virtual display, once again there are no buttons, only lights, and you can see that it continues to function just as we had before, except with a lot less going on. The code displayed is a lot more refined and the screen is not as busy. It's very easy to follow what is going on at this point. Now, you might be wondering what these variables here are. Well, they're all the same variable, and as previously mentioned, what SCADA is. We'll continue to talk about that, but for now let's take a look at how this operates on the PLC demo box.